And we have some more breaking news coming in. Getting in the first visuals now from Chennai, where Telangana Chief Minister KCR has now met with Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, and we had the first visuals earlier as well of the cavalcade of the Telangana Chief Minister KCR, who was all set to meet the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin shortly, and now we have the first visuals of KCR M.K. Stalin meeting as well. We will be showing that to our viewers, but these are the latest visuals from earlier as well, when the cavalcade of Telangana Chief Minister, that is KCR, had reached in Chennai at the residence of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, and shortly after that there was a meeting. And we have the first images now on the left of our screens right now of the meeting that was underway between the Telangana Chief Minister KCR that met Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin as well. These are the first visuals here on Republic TV of the meeting that happened between Telangana Chief Minister and M.K. Stalin as well. Let me also go across to Apurva now joining us. Yes, Apurva, we have the first images of that meeting now.
That's right. The meeting had started somewhere around 5 o'clock. Telangana Chief Minister KCR is still inside their meeting with Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. We are also seeing several other senior members from the Telangana cabinet, including KTR as well, who is inside the meeting that is ongoing right now. What we are learning so far is that this is a personal invite that has been scheduled today, where KCR will be meeting with Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin and will be formally inviting him for the grand opening of Yadadri temple there in Telangana. Remember, on somewhere in March 20th, 23rd is the dates that has been scheduled for the reopening of the Yadadri temple, and that is what is one of the main topics that will be discussed here today. Is what we are learning. More discussions are also likely to include political talks between that of Tamil Nadu's Chief Minister and Telangana Chief Minister there, who will also be discussing the politics between the both states, and also being the both Tamil Nadu and Telangana are opposition parties. There will also be discussions that will be likely also be held on political field. But as of now, meeting is still underway there at CM's residence here at Alvapet, where Telangana Chief Minister KCR is likely scheduled to be leaving any time now post his meeting with M.K. Stalin.
And stay with us, Apurva. This is certainly, as you rightly pointed out, an attempt to build a federal front. It is also a bit to mobilize support of regional parties, like we witnessed in the state of Maharashtra between Sharad Pawar and Mamta Banerjee as well, against the BJP-led government at the centre. And now we are witnessing another such meeting, this time in Chennai, where Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao is meeting Tamil Nadu counterpart M.K. Stalin.
Definitely, because you see, not only has this been the first time, but also previous times as well, when there had been meeting between several opposition leaders, including that of KCR, M.K. Stalin, Mamta Banerjee and several others. The talks had been cordial between them with respect to the political front as well. A lot of, KCR has been time and again with the TRS party right now in power. Time and again we have seen KCR having strong opinions about the union government and the ways that there has been things that have been ongoing, and now with him also meeting with yet another opposition party leader, including that of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister here, M.K. Stalin, we are expecting more political talks that might likely develop. What will be the discussions that will be held? That is something that we will have to wait and watch. We will have to see what is going to be the next step, or what will be the announcements or decisions that will be taken or discussed in this meeting today between both the leaders.
All right. Thank you so much, Apurva, for getting us the latest update. We'll be closely tracking the details of this meeting further as well.